that all are safe and healthy at home. Today we are going to discuss about planets. Yeah, children, what are planets? Generally we are going to have 8 planets, children. First one is Mercury, second one is Venus, third one is Earth, fourth one is Mars, fifth one is Jupiter, sixth one is Saturn, seventh one is Uranus, and eighth one is Neptune. Yes, children, what are the planets which are present in the solar system? Will revolve around the sun itself. Yes, children, whatever the planets which are going to revolve around the sun in a fixed path. This fixed path is considered as orbit, and also the movement of planets which are going to move around this orbit is considered as a revolution. Yes, children, there are mainly 2 types of planets present in this solar system. Yes, children, first one is inner planets. There are mainly 4 inner planets. One is Mercury, second one is Venus, third one is Earth, and fourth one is Mars. Yeah, children, these are the 4 inner planets. Let me now discuss about inner planets. Yeah, children, if you see these inner planets are very close to the sun. These Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are very close to the sun in this distance, right? So these are considered as inner planets. Yes, children? Why we consider rest 4 as outer planets, children? Why? Because they are far away from the sun. Yes, children, do you think these planets are going to have light? Definitely no. Why? Because sun is going to have more set of heat and light and brightness. This light reflects on the other planets, so that planets are going to have light. Clear, children? Let me now discuss about Mercury. Yes, children, Mercury is also called as Buddha. Yes, children, it is the smallest planet in the solar system, and it is very close to the sun, and this Mercury is also going to have some kind of a little air. Air can be present in this Mercury. Yeah, children, and also this Mercury is not going to have any set of a moons. Means they are going to have 0 moons. No moons in this planet. And also, children, the number of revolutions in the Mercury can be happened is 88 days. Yes, children, this is the hottest planet and it is also known as the smallest planet, but it has some kind of a light present in it. I already said now, why? Because the sun's light is going to reflect on the planets. It is also going to have light. Let me now also discuss about Venus, children. Yeah, children, Venus is the second most planet in our solar system. Yeah, children, in sun gives the reflect of the light. I already said you. But if you see here, the distance of sun and the Venus is present now. But in middlemost we are going to have the planet of Mercury. That's why this is called as the second planet in the solar system. And if you see that the comparison between the Mercury and Venus, Mercury will be very hot during the morning time, but in the night time it becomes very cool, right? But Venus has some kind of features. Means Venus is going to have some set of a sun. It mainly just appears during the set of a daytime and also at night time. But it is going to have only sunset. It's going to have before the sunset and also have after the sunset. This is the reason why we consider Venus as a morning and evening star. Did you understand, children, what I am speaking about? Mercury will be very hot during the daytime and very cold during the night time. But Venus is just like appears during the sun, before the sunset and also after the sunset. Clear, children? This is the second most planet. You already know that. This is why we consider Venus as a morning and evening star. This is also one of the hottest planet in the solar system. Yeah, children. And also it is going to have number of revolutions. You can consider as 225 days. We are going to have just in Venus 225 days of revolutions. Yeah, children, but as same like a Mercury, Venus is not going to have any moons. Zero. The number of moons in Venus are zero and Mercury is also zero. Let me now discuss about Earth. Yeah, children, you will know more information about Earth. I believe that. Why? Because we live on Earth. All human beings live on Earth itself. Yeah, children, if you see, Earth is mainly supposed to have 70% of water. This is the place where we live, and also this is the third most planet in the solar system. Here, children, we see sun, right? We see one of the star, sun. It gives us more heat and light, right? Earth is going to have the number of revolutions are 365 days. Here, children, you already know now. We are having a calendar. We are going to have the number of days in it is nothing but 365 days, and we are going to have how many moons, children? If you observe in the sky, we can see only one moon. Clear? This is the reason why we live on the earth. Why? Because we are going to have all the types of gases present in the earth, and also we are going to have water. Yeah, children, we only live in the place where we have water. Without water, can we survive? No. Yeah, children, this is the third most planet in the solar system, and also, children, this is considered as blue planet. Why? Because if you see the planet which is full of water and it is blue in color, so we consider this as blue planet. Yeah, children, if you see, Mercury is also called as Bud, Venus is called as Suk, and this earth is called as Prithvi. Very good, children. Earth is called as Prithvi. Let me now discuss about the most interesting topic of Mars. Children, this Mars is covered with the red dust, and it is the fourth planet in the solar system, and it is going to have 2 moons, and this Mars is going to have number of revolutions are nothing but 637 days can be considered in this Mars, and this Mars is also called as Mangal. Here, children, let me now discuss about some more interesting facts about Mars. Now discuss about the most interesting topic of Mars. Here, children, scientists are doing a number of research about this planet Mars. Why? Because they found that some kind of water is present on Mars. This was given in the newspaper. I already created the 2 characters named Nani and Ritu, right? They are reading the newspaper that whether this information which is given by the scientist is definitely true or not. Yeah, children, the information is listened by their grandfather and discussing with Nani and Ritu. Yeah, then the grandfather replied that, yes children, that is true. Scientists found that some kind of water is present on the Mars. Definitely yes. Why? Because what might be after 100 days we can go and we can live on the Mars also. Now we are moving from one place to other place by using aeroplanes. In the same way, why can't we have the growth in these planets also? We might be traveling after 100 days from Earth to the Mars. It might happen. See how interesting about the planets we are going to learn. Yes or no children? And this Mars is also called as Shani. And here children, let me also discuss about some more interesting facts of outer planets in the later on session. I hope that everyone understood the topic of planets and also inner planets, the four inner planets about Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Yeah children, hope that everyone understood the topic. Thank you. Have a nice day children.